Hi, I'm Glassman.
Hi, I'm Alvin Latija.
Today we're going to talk about
Advanced Technology Solutions, Discovery and Diagnostics.
every enterprise today is exploring with the possibilities of AI. Pilots are multiplying, frameworks are evolving, and experimentation is happening everywhere. And within that energy lies a massive opportunity to move beyond experimentation and translate potential into enterprise-wide reinvention.
ATS Discovery and Diagnostic is how we help enterprises accelerate the value of their technology investments. It connects data and AI, digital platforms, advisory, and agentic solutions to create a unified, transformation-led approach. From AI readiness assessments and process diagnostics to business case development and operating model design, we give leaders the insight to scale responsibly and confidently. This isn't just about technology, it's about driving transformation that actually delivers measurable outcomes.
What makes this offering powerful is how it unlocks enterprise-wide adoption. We embed advanced technology in every stage of the consulting journey, from defining strategy to driving execution. Whether it's automating finance workflows, optimizing supply chains, or scaling GenAI across functions, ATS Discovery and Diagnostic translate innovation into ROI. It's human-centric blueprint for turning experimentation into enterprise advantage. Real adoption, real transformation, real value.
The future belongs to organizations that can turn ideas into scalable impact. ATS Discovery and Diagnostic is Genpact's way of helping clients do exactly that. With our deep domain expertise, AI leadership, and data-driven insights, we're enabling enterprises to transform with confidence. So let's move beyond pilots, let's move beyond proofs of concepts, let's unlock the full power of AI and advanced technologies together. Because transformation only matters when it drives measurable value.
Our advanced technology solutions help our clients achieve just that, bridging innovation and execution and turning every technology potential into tangible performance. Because in today's dynamic world, the difference between keeping pace and leading the market lies in how fast you can turn data and AI into impact, and that's exactly what we help our clients do.